Communication. People will be able to learn about this video, talk about different modern forms of communication, differentiate between the ways of communications used in the past and the present, understand the averages of mass communication in the transfer of information at a global level, know about communication through postcard, cell phone, and internet, etc. What is communication? Communication is the process of expressing ideas and feelings and the way in which we send and receive information through messages or news. Communication is of two types. One is one-to-one communication. The second one is postal services. What is one-to-one communication? We use different ways to carry out one-to-one communication in our daily lives. The postal services means we use postal services as a means of communication, that is called postal services. Postcards and Indian letters are some of the common mode of communication around the world. We should write the addresses of the receiver on the letter. The address consists of the following information, that is name, door number, village, mandal, district, and pin code. Pin code should be right in every letter. It is very easy to identify address. What, do you know pin code? What is pin code? Every post office is given a number nationwide. This is called pin code. Pin code means postal index number. This pin code must be written on the addresses. This helps to identify the location easily. Let us know about the journey of a letter. First we write a letter and put into a post in the post box. Postman collects the letters and sort out according to the addresses. Then the postman travels on the mail. The postcards reaches the places in a vehicle. After that, postman brings the letters to our home. Nowadays, we use mobile phones or emails to pass on the information quickly. The different devices we use to communicate are given below. Mobile phones, first one. Through mobile phones, we can communicate immediately. Video and audio conference calls also available. There are a lot of apps which render services to us. Games, banking services, booking, traveling tickets can be done easily through mobile phones using the apps. Next, email, a faster transport of information. An email is a message sent from one computer to another. Emails can be used for sending letters, files, photos, videos, documents, etc. To send emails, we need a computer or a laptop or a smartphone with internet connection. Next, mass communication. Mass communication is the process of exchanging information through media to large segments of the population. Newspapers, TV, and radio are used in mass communication. Newspapers. It is a printed paper contains news, articles of opinion, features, and advertisements. One can get information of the entire world in the form of print. Radio. It is an audio communication device. We get news, opinions, debates, etc. in the radio. People get hour to hour information during cyclones and floods. Television, we call TV. It is an audio and visual communication device. People can watch news, movies, and many programs in TVs. Advanced communications, we call social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Messenger, these all are now popular social media. The symbols below indicates different social media apps. Social media is another technology of communication which helps us in increasing and sharing of information, ideas through internet communication and computer. What we have learned, communication is the process of transferring ideas and feelings from one person to another. Communication is of two types. One is one-to-one communication, second one is mass communication. Mobile phone is a device which is used to communicate quickly with each other. Emailing is one of the fastest means of transport of information nowadays. Mass communication is the process of exchanging information through mass media to a large segment of the population. Newspaper, radio, television are the main modes of mass communication.